Hello everyone, this is Sadasha Das and you're watching Odisha Ray News. The convocation ceremony of Institute of Company Secretaries of India ICSI was held at Rabindra Mandap, Bhubaneswar. In this program, membership certificates were given to all the members who became company secretaries in Eastern region. Certificates were also awarded to those who have completed specialized PMQ courses after CS membership. Students who have previously passed professional courses in all subjects at Eastern India were also awarded prizes and certificates. Krishna Kumari Pal of Tarcher got the highest award. Sambalpur IIM Director Professor Mahadev Jaiswal attended as the chief guest and awarded membership certificates to all members. He emphasized on intelligent quotient, emotional quotient, spiritual quotient, philosophical quotient and its usage, and said that these are necessary for the success in life and in profession. As the Indian economy continues to be one of the fastest growing, the importance of corporate governance is high and company secretaries will play a key role in this area. CS Balasubramaniam Narasimhan, the president of the organization, attended the event and called upon the members to make India's economy the largest in Amritkal. He also said that there are needs of 1.5 lakh company secretaries in this Amritkal. CS Dhananjay Shukla, vice president of the institute, highlighted how the company secretary helps in keeping the chain intact in the corporate at all times by citing the example of Mahabharata and emphasizing on the subject matter expertise and good behavior. CS Rupanjana De, council member, stressed on the culture of compliance. Eastern Region Chairman CS Dr. Mohit Shaw delivered the welcome speech and the oath. Dr. Rajesh Agarwal, Joint Secretary, gave the vote of the thanks. Former EIRC past Chairman CS Priyadarshi Nayak and CS Somya Sujit Mishra, Bhubaneswar, Chapter Chairman CS Rudra Madhab Sahu, Secretary CS Srimant Babu, Treasurer CS Nilakantha Samal were also present. The program was conducted under the supervision of Regional Director Surya Narayan Mishra. That's all. Keep watching Odisha Ray News.
Great day for all of you. In fact, this is the first convocation I'm addressing as the president of the institute. I've addressed several convocations before, not in the position of the president of the institute, as a member of the council and as vice president of the institute, yes, last year. But therefore, it makes me, and therefore I thought I would take some time to share my quick thoughts with you. Well, Mohit started off with a very, very spirited address. In fact, whenever I get to hear him, I'm pretty awed. I mean, I don't know where, it's the way he addresses, the way he comes, narrates events after events and puts his point of view in a manner that it catches the attention of the people. It's amazing. It's amazing. I've already, Rupanjana had different ideas totally. Yes, she was mentioning about the fact that she had not gone through this convocation ever before and she wants it to be done for those who could not get it done earlier. Well, I'll be one of them with you, alongside you. Of course, I passed out my CS way back in the year 1978. This is my 46th year as a member of the institute. I know none of you would be that age. 46 years as a member of the institute. And this is my 14th year in the council, which Mr. Dhananjay Shukla also touched upon. At that time when I passed out, even the Company Secretaries Act was not there. That came into being only in the year 1980. So when I did this course, you may be wondering, what is the purpose? Why did you do it? I had to do something beyond my MA Economics, and therefore the one option which came my way, where I could do without any difficulty attending an office as well, was the CS course, and therefore I opted for it. But I was reasonably hopeful at some way down the line, this course will do well, and it is doing exceedingly well. Rupanjana mentioned about the fact that she's not getting company secretaries. Sooner or later, I can tell you, there's going to be dearth of company secretaries. We require that much number to qualify. I was in discussion because as Dhananjay Shukla was mentioning, it is each one of us has to be a specialist.
So when we became FCS, because आज के डेट में ACS में भी you're convocated, and then when you become FCS you get convocated again. So both the times it was not there. So when I became ACS it was not there. When I became FCS it was not there. I have to bachelor's degree. दोनों time I was out of the city. दोनों time my father attended on my behalf. And as many of you know, I did my masters from abroad. Possible नहीं था convocation में. So I've never had any convocation in my life. So it is always whenever I attend ICS High convocation, I live that dream through you. It makes me really happy to put myself on your shoes and imagine I'm receiving a certificate. एक अधूरा जो ड्रीम है जो हमेशा अधूरा रह जाएगा. बट आई रिक्वेस्ट प्रेसिडेंट कि कुछ अगर हो सकता है हम लोगों को लाइफ टाइम अचीवमेंट या लाइफ टाइम ऐसा कुछ जो लोगों को कॉन्वोकेशन कभी हुआ ही नहीं. पीपल हु बिलोंग टू द प्री हिस्टोरिक एरा ऑफ ICSI जब कॉन्वोकेशन नहीं था उनके लिए भी कुछ सोचिए प्लीज़. सो इट इज़ रियली अ ग्रेट